Hey guys, and welcome back to DC Unplugged. Now unfortunately we haven't been able to finish off the Beast review, so we're going to jump into actually upgrading the Lightning. Now it is currently raining outside, so I apologise if there's any background noise, but we are basically going to be doing the bar upgrade on my Lightning V2. So what we're going to do is I'm going to step through and show you what you need for this install.
Perfect.
So guys, of course you're going to need your bars. So I've purchased these bars from 99 Bikes. So they're a pair of, if you're following on my Facebook page, you'll have seen they're a pair of carbon fiber mix sort of things. So they're pretty cool. This is pretty much all you'll need for the install, which is pretty easy. You just got two sides of Allen keys, so it's going to be pretty easy. Now, as you know, on my bars, I've got gone with the different aftermarket bar grips, which are really comfortable. They do have on either side lockers, so they stop them from sliding off and twisting. So I'll need Allen keys for that. Allen keys for in there to undo your throttle, as well as to undo your brakes, so you can get them out of the way. Of course, you'll need Allen keys to undo the actual clamp itself to hold the bars in place. You'll need Allen keys for the headlight switch, again, your brakes, and I've got two on this one here. Put this back up on the stand, and we'll get a bit of a semi close up and take these bars off, and of course we're gonna have to take our battery pack off for the aftermarket headlights. So yeah, let's get to it. Now what I've done, guys, is I've just loosened all the equipment off. So basically I'm just gonna undo these 4 bolts. So when you actually undo these, it's easy just to slide them off, because at the moment you won't have the reach. So they just stop, because they're all zip tied and stuff like that. I'd rather get these bars off for the time being, and then I'm gonna do a bit of cable management after I install the bars. So I'll do all that later on once I go for the ride and it stops raining outside. There we go. So bars are off, guys, and that's it. That's the old ones. So let's do an unboxing of the new ones, shall we? All right, guys. So here they are, the new bars. So I'm just gonna quickly open them up for you and show you how big they are and how epic they look. There we go. So these are the new bars. Now I'm not sure if the camera's going to be able to pick that up, guys, but you can definitely see there's a bit of like carbon weaving, if you will. It's very difficult to see. I'll see if I can get some photos up when it's finished, but yeah, you can definitely see it on the bottom there, that weave. But yeah, pretty cool. Very cool, a lot more wider. So over stock, you can see they're a lot more wider, just a bit more space. You'd be surprised at how much more that is over stock. So and just better handling and everything like that. So now, because these are these are way lighter too, because these are, as you can see here, let's show you guys on the camera, on there it says right there, so it says CSI, which is carbon structural integration. So I'm assuming it'd be some sort of metal and carbon fiber mix. So we shall start putting them back on then. So basically same as before, come through, start putting everything on how we were. So the good thing is everything will basically automatically want to kind of sit in its original spot anyway.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Now, pro tip, guys, and I can't stress this enough, is if you are going to buy carbon fiber bars, whether it be the CSI ones or just full-on exposed proper carbon fiber ones, be very careful at how you tighten them, because you can over tighten them, and when you over tighten carbon fiber, it actually crushes. And once it's crushed, it's pretty much game over. It's obviously no longer round and pretty much loses its structural strength. So just be very careful if you do go and buy carbon fiber bars. That you'll probably come in a packet, it'll probably tell you how tight they're to be in Newton meters and stuff like that, or do a bit of online research. But for now, we're just going to finish up the rest of these bars. Okay, so now that we've got these on, oh man, these feel good already. So now that we've already got these on, they're nice and sturdy, they're not moving back and forth, both the bars and the grips, we can start heading onto these. So while I'm on that subject of carbon fiber, guys, the only reason why I went these bars is it was a very, very close color to the actual color of the Lightning anyway. I didn't want it to feel like it was out of place or I'd purposely done it. Kind of want to kind of blend in, if you will. Now, wherever your grips are, guys, you want to bring these as close as you can to the end of the grips. Probably not like that. But they're to the closest you can to the end of the grip, so then that way they're pretty much there. So you don't want to be going over here to reach for them, you want them to be here. Beautiful. So that's pretty much everything, guys, and that's an install. It didn't take long, it probably took, let's have a look. Including filming, it only took me 20 minutes, so I won't put in the fact that I was also setting up the camera and stuff like that, but including all time, guys, it takes about 20 minutes to do, and now I really want to go for a ride, but it's raining, so that kind of sucks. But yeah, I'll just tidy a couple of more things up, guys. Obviously, you'll see that in the next video, so I'll tidy this all up, make it look all nice and pretty. I think my bars are slightly off the side, so I might just bring them over a bit, and yeah. But if that was really helpful for you guys, like and subscribe, leave a comment down the bottom if you like. I'll try and do some, when I do the review, try and do some low light things to try and bring out that carbon fiber for you guys. So definitely get keen for the review of these, because I think these are going to be awesome to ride with and a really good addition to just the overall feel of the scooter. So and being how wide they are, they'll definitely help going off grass, and but it's really jolty and stuff like that. So it just helps you keep control of the scooter. So I'm really looking forward to actually having a go at this, guys. I'm quite excited. Just sucks that it's raining. Just before we go, guys, massive thank you to Anna from Optus. So Anna actually helped me get the internet back on at my house, which obviously I wouldn't have been able to upload and do anything without it. So we actually lost internet on Thursday last week. So she was so very helpful over the phone, and helped us out, actually organize everything and make sure I was actually able to upload as I can today. So massive shout out. And if you leave a comment down there, guys, give her a thumbs up and say thank you very much, because I can't thank her enough for actually helping us out with that too. As much as it's her job, she did really, really good customer service, and I can't thank her enough, and made it very easy. So thank you, Anna. Thank you very much for helping this come along. And she is now an awesome subscriber to the channel as well. So thank you very much, Anna, for your support on both your personal life as well, as I'd say, and as well as your job as well. Everything was every part of that was very professional. Thank you very much, Anna. Really appreciate it. And guys, give her a like and a comment saying thank you, because that just shows the support and we can spread the love around. But anyway, guys, like and subscribe, leave a comment down this and below thanking Anna. And yeah, see you all in the next one. Cheers.